wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain.
So hello guys, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। वेलकम टू बैक शोभित प्रोजेक्ट यूट्यूब चैनल। जिस साइकिल को आप लोगों ने शुरू में देखा, तो आज मैं उस साइकिल को आपको मॉडिफाई करके दिखाने वाला हूं। तो मैंने इसे फ्री में मॉडिफाई किया है। आप लोग भी अपनी साइकिल को फ्री में मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कार्डबोर्ड, सेलो टेप, डबल साइडेड टेप एंड कलर। तो चलिए इस साइकिल को मॉडिफाई करना शुरू करते हैं।
Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit, I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant, I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit. I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clown, fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease.
तो यहाँ पर मेरे छोटे भाई की साइकिल में मॉडिफिकेशन होने ही वाली है। यदि आप लोगों ने इस वीडियो को यहाँ तक वॉच कर लिया है तो आपका बहुत बहुत दिल से धन्यवाद। और गाइज यहाँ पर मैंने इस वीडियो में बहुत सारी कमियों को सुधारने की कोशिश की है और आने वाले टाइम में मैं अपनी कमियों को कम करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ और आपको अच्छा कंटेंट प्रोवाइड करने के लिए लगा हूँ। और आप लोग मेरे चैनल पर ऐसा ही सपोर्ट बनाए रखें। मैं आपके लिए आने वाले टाइम में बहुत अच्छी अच्छी वीडियो डाला करूँगा। और आपने यदि इस वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया है तो लाइक कर दें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ इस वीडियो को शेयर करें और बेल आइकन को ऑल पर सेट करें। धन्यवाद। आप इसका फाइनल लुक देख लें।
In the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest.